How to get auto clicker on your Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can get auto clicker on your Windows device. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First step, open up a web browser. On your web browser, simply search for your auto clicker. And after you do that, you'll find this OP auto clicker. So you can head over to its website. And after you do that, you'll need to just download this. So you can get it from Chrome Web Store. Just get it. You can just head over to Forge or SourceForge as well. The download feature or option is available here as well. Just press on download and the download should begin. So there you can see it's been downloaded. Now press on it. You can just click on autoclicker.exe. Then it should open up. Now this is the one that we're talking about. This is the OP auto clicker. Now you can just choose your click intervals. You can set it milliseconds, seconds, minutes, hours. You can also do random offsets. You will have the click options. So you can press which mouse button you want to click. You can use a click type as well. You can see single type, a single click, or a double click option. You can repeat the click as well. Then your position of the cursor. So you can pick a location, tap and pick location right here. Then just click wherever you want. So let me just click on this. After you do that, then you'll need to tap on this start F6 and it should start clicking. And that's how you download and use an auto clicker on a Windows device. Thanks for watching. That is it for today's video. Stay tuned.